So there are lots of different kinds of testing that can be done on software, but these are the sort of the basic ones that most companies are going to use as far as software testing levels go. So with unit testing, it's when you test a small subset of code before it gets integrated into the overall application. So that means testing functions, methods, every little chunk of code as you go, and it reduces a lot of problems downstream because you've already tested it before you're trying to integrate it. Integration testing is when you take the new code and drop it into to the existing application to test how it works. So that's obviously an important step. Regression testing is where you test a system after you've added patches or fixes or really anything new. So integration testing and regression testing, I think there may be a little overlap there, but I think as far as regression testing, I prefer to think of it as something that's a working product, and then you add fixes to it, so you test it then. Acceptance testing is sort of the big enchilada. That's where you determine whether it meets the user requirements or the stakeholder requirements, and yeah, so like does it meet what you're being asked to develop? And user acceptance testing is when the stakeholder or client actually tests out the product and gives it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. So those are the basic software testing levels.